My favorite science topic is the brain. First of all, the brain is an organ that serves as the center of the nervous system in all vertebrate and most invertebrate animals. It is located in the head, usually close to the primary sensory organs for such sense as vision, hearing, balance, taste, and smell. The brain is the most complex organ in a vertebrate's body. In a typical human, the cerebral cortex is estimated to contain 50 to 80 billion neurons, each connected by synapses to several thousand other neurons. These neurons communicate with one another by means of long protoplastic fibers called axons, which carry trains of signal pulses called action potential to distant parts of the brain or body targeting specific repinch cells. The function of the brain is to exert centralized control over the other organs of the body. The brains act on the rest of the body both by generation patterns of muscle activity and by driving the secretion of chemical called hormones. This centralization allows rapid and coordinated response to change in the environment. The brains of all species are composed primarily of two broad classes of cells: neurons and glial cells. Glial cells, common in several types, and perform a number of critical functions, including structural support, metabolic support, insulation, and guidance of development. Neurons, however, are usually considered the most important cells in the brain. The property that makes neuron unique is their ability to send signals to specific target cells over long distance. They send these signals by means of an axon, which is the protoplasmatic fiber that extends from the cell body and projects, usually with the numerous branches to other areas, sometimes nervy, sometimes in distant parts of the brain or body. These axons transmit signals in the form of electrochemical pulses called action potential, which last less than a thousandth of a second and travel along the axon at speeds of 100 meters per second. Axon transmits signals to other neurons by means of a specialized junction called synapses. A single axon may make as many as several thousand synaptic connections with other cells. When an action potential traveling along an axon arrives at a synapse, it causes a chemical called a neurotransmitter to be released. The neurotransmitter binds to receptor molecules in the membrane of the target cell. Neurons often have a extensive network of dendrites which receive synaptic connections. The essential function of the brain is to cell-to-cell communication, and synapses are the points at which communication occurs. The human brain has been estimated to contain approximately 100 trillion synapses. It is widely believed that activity-dependent modification of synapses is the brain's primary mechanism for learning and memory. The most important vertebrate brain components are the medulla, the pons, the hypothalamus, the thalamus behaviors, the cerebellum, the optic dectum, the pallium, the hippocampus, the basal ganglia, and the olfactory bulb. And this was my presentation about my favorite science topic, the brain. Thanks for your attention. I hope that you enjoyed it.